Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Ashley. Today, I know it's been a minute. I haven't filmed in a long time. I haven't updated you guys on what's been going on in my life in a long time. But today's video is going to be like a little vlog. I don't know if it's going to be like a full vlog or what. And I'm in my office. I'm in the middle of putting up these LED strip lights right now. You see I stopped right there. There's tables in my way, so I gotta kind of like figure out how I'm gonna do that. But the lights that I'm using are the lights that I'm using are these smart LED strip lights. These ones I got them from Amazon for like 20 bucks. They were having some sort of like Amazon Prime Day deal, and I seen these, so I grabbed them. But yeah, my office is a mess, you guys. I've been doing orders, making products. The way that I have it set up now, I guess I don't know if I want to flip the camera around or just show you like this, but so my door is right there. I don't know if you guys remember, but I'll link the video of my my office tour. I don't know the name. I really don't remember the name of the video, but I'm gonna link it right here so you guys can check out what my studio looked like before. But this is my current workspace, office space. It's a mess right now. I didn't show you guys or vlog the process because I just been busy working, and I kept changing my space to be more efficient for working. So this is just what my space is now. I'll put these lights up and then show you guys what the room looks like. Don't judge me. It's a mess, you guys. I really need to clean my office space. That's why I decided to film. It's been a minute. Every time I think about showing you guys this room, I just cringe. I cringe. I just finished putting the lights up and I started cooking dinner, but the lights are up now. This corner. And then that's how the lights end up looking in that little corner. I didn't know what to do with it because I ran out of light strip. I know you can cut them. You can cut them to create like a shorter length, but I don't feel like going through that right now, so I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. I stuck it to the board, but I'm gonna flip my phone camera around and show you guys what my office is looking like. I'm gonna try to remember to vlog like while I'm actually cleaning up, just like so you can kind of see the before and after as it's happening. Yeah. So when you first walk into my office, this is what it's looking like. Like this, it should not look like this. Let me back up so you guys can get a better view. It really shouldn't be this messy and all this stuff shouldn't be around, but yeah, I've just been busy, so this is what happened. I plugged out my ring light already. That's why I'm not using it for light. That's my tripod over there. You guys, I'm so stressed. This is the box light. Let me move that. I can take this table down. I can clean this table and take it down right now too, because this table is foldable. So I don't leave this one set up. I just had it set up because I was making bundles, and the bundles are back there now. But yeah, and those are my boards that I just took down. And I know you guys haven't seen the room, so you're probably confused. That's a bag of trash because I started cleaning up a little bit. And then I decided I wanted to film and show you guys what was going on. I hear my air fryer going off because it's preheated now. So I need to clean up all of this space. Like it's a mess. Those are some lip glosses that I still need to label. And I changed everything up. My gloss machine is back there in the corner, but I literally changed everything up, you guys. I got this poster from Vistaprint of my logo, but I wanted my vanity and my actual business stuff to be separated because before my vanity was like in the middle of my workspace and I really didn't like that. It was weird. So now my vanity is in the corner, so it's kind of like more tucked away and personal. Hey you guys, so today is 2 days later. I didn't really get back to my office. The only thing that I did was move my that big folding table I showed you guys that was in the middle of my room. Going to Walmart right now to see if they have any sort of racks or shelves. I have a bunch of different types of products just sitting around my room because it has nowhere to go right now, so I'm going to go see if I can find extra storage. I might stop at the Dollar Tree too to see if they have any extra storage bins or anything like that. Still not done with my office, but I got this shelf from Walmart right here. It was $35, I think, 35 plus tax. That's the same bookshelf I had. I still didn't put the table back up. And I think I decided I'm gonna put the TV here. I'm gonna mount the TV up here, or my boyfriend's gonna mount the TV up there for me. I have the foldable tables in the corner, so it's not like just in the middle of the room no more. And then I think I'm gonna put a shelf underneath of it to put the PlayStation, because that's what I use. It's because I don't have a smart TV. That's not a smart TV. It's like a regular type of TV. So I can plug the PlayStation in so I can watch YouTube, and if I want to watch any shows, my vanity over there. And yeah, you guys, that's the mount that I think we're gonna use. That's a really big mount, but that's the only other one we had in the garage. I'm still trying to figure out the setup in here, but I needed a change. I was getting bored with the old setup. And this table, I'm gonna take it out of here. I wanna get another table just like this one and put it in the corner right there. I don't know where I'm gonna keep or store the tables, but maybe I could even put them in the closet, honestly, because there's space in here. I could like just have them in like right here whenever I'm not using them. But I still have a lot of organizing and cleaning to do. All right, you guys, so my boyfriend's about to mount my TV for me. It's a small TV. I think it's like a 30-inch, but I don't need a huge TV because this room isn't really big, so I won't be far away from the TV anyways. I finished organizing my shelf that I got from Walmart. The shelf was $35. Yeah, I think $35.99 plus tax. And then I also ordered another one of these tables from IKEA. It's $24.99 for one of those tables, so I can put in this corner for whenever I want to edit videos and things like that. And today I didn't have a super busy day so far. We're about to mount the TV up here. There's like a random hole. I don't know where that came from. But yeah, this is what the shelf looks like now that I set it all up. And these two boxes right here, well, this shelf right here is all promo packages. There's more promo packages here. But yeah, that's where I am today. I was doing orders earlier. That's the TV I'm about to get mounted up. The other TV was a Vizio. This one, I have never heard of this brand before. I don't know what that is, but it's the same size as the other ones. We just got the wrong size screws. So we end up having to use this TV instead. I just swapped it out for the one my boyfriend has in his office, but I don't mind. And then he's in the garage looking for washers because these are a little bit too long. So I'm gonna need a washer to like stop it from falling out. But that's the mount right there. You guys, I need to get rid of this picture and that one. I guess I hoard those two pictures. Hey, you guys, I guess I'm just hoarding those two pictures because I had them for so long and I just feel weird getting rid of them. Like, I'm gonna just throw them away. You guys, I was on live the other day and somebody actually asked me if I was pregnant. I'm like, no, I'm not pregnant. Oh my God, do I look pregnant to y'all? I was so offended. All right, you guys, so today is, what's today? Friday. And my table finally came in the mail. They came in two separate packages. The legs and the tabletop came separate. That's why it's been taking me so long to get back to this vlog. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how simple the table was to put together. You just have to put the legs on and that's it. If you guys are interested in this table, comment down below and then I'll link it in the video if you guys do want it. I think I mentioned to you guys that it was only $25 and then the shipping was $10. And I would be on the floor, but you guys, I am cramping so bad right now. There shouldn't be anything else in the box. No, it's just more stuffing. But I'm cramping so bad. I'm in so much pain today. So it comes with 4 these metal pieces. So with these pieces, you just have to screw them into the bottom of the table and then screw the legs on. It's super simple. But I love this table. It's so sleek and super, super simple to put together. And I know some people feel like some IKEA furniture is like low quality, but I really love this table. I've had the other table for a really long time. And then like I had it since I was in my old office setup. But now since I'm in this setup, I decided I want a second one. Because it fits perfectly in that corner. And that's where I'm going to be doing like my editing and my computer work. And things like that. It probably would be simpler for me to just get on the floor and do this. I have so much to do today, you guys. I have to go to the post office still and drop off my orders. And then I still have to go grocery shopping, and then I still have to work on restocking a few things because I'm doing a 12 days of deals, which, like I said, today is Friday, and hopefully I get this video up tonight. But my 12 days of deals starts on Saturday, which is less than what? I mean, it's for sure less than 24 hours away, but it's already like 4 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this table together, go to the post office, drop these orders off, and then get back home and finish restocking. I have to restock some of my lip gloss base because that's been selling out like crazy, you guys. But yeah, for 12 days of deals, I'm going to be offering literally a different deal every single day for 12 days straight from December 12th to the 23rd. So the day before Christmas Eve, you guys. So make sure you check out my website. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. I'm sure some of you guys might be interested in this table, so I'll try to make sure I link this in the description box too. But like I said, I'm gonna time lapse this, so I'm gonna stop talking. Let me get on the floor. Oh, I should get the drill. It'll make this so much faster. All right, you guys, so I'm dumping up the table. I'm gonna tidy up my room before I leave. I am out of breath. That's just sad because that wasn't even hard to do. The lashes that I'm wearing, just in case you guys are wondering, they are my lashes in the style Beautiful. All right, you guys, so I just finished putting up the table, and you see it fits in this little corner perfectly. So yeah, I just wanted to get a desk to have in that corner because this table I use to do my makeup. My TV is mounted, and you guys, yes, this is a PlayStation 3. Do not come for me in the comments. It still works. I only use it to like watch TV and YouTube and stuff like that, so I'm using that. This shelf right here we got from Home Depot, and then we also got these little, oh, what happened? I didn't know it was scratched. That's annoying. But yeah, so that probably happened whenever we were trying to find the post. But yeah, so this little shelf was from Home Depot. I think this one was $8, and then these little, what do you call these things? I can't think of the name of them right now, but these were like $5 or $6. But yeah, that's what the room is looking like so far. Now you guys see I have way more space than I did when I showed you guys my room when I first started the vlog. I still have more that I want to do to it, but you guys, I'm over it right now. I have so much I need to get done, so I'm gonna take those to the post office right now. And I'm gonna get that chair out of here eventually. I'm gonna get it out of here because I don't want that in here. I need to put that away. And then I'm getting ready to use this table. That's why I didn't put it all the way back in the closet, but it does fit in there, which is perfect. And this is that 6-foot table you guys seen in the middle of the room before. That I'm still gonna take out and set up whenever I need more space, but this is what my little storage closet is looking like now. But yes, I have so much to do, you guys. I have so much to do. But yeah, you guys see there's so much more space in here. I could actually walk around now. But the coffee table, I want to get a coffee table right there so I can come in here in the morning and meditate and put my crystals on that table and things like that. Oh, and you guys, look at my candle from Dope Kid Crafts. My boyfriend came in here earlier and he said that the room smelled really good. It's this candle that I have lit. Yeah, if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below any other suggestions you guys may have for me for my office space, please and thank you. I would really appreciate it. And if you guys are new to my channel and you still haven't subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you guys see when I upload a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. and I will see you in the next video.
Yeah, it ain't perfect, but